I've come to buy the Mustang.
Oh, wonderful. Here she is.
And here's the payment.
Oh my, this is more than we agreed.
It's worth it. A pleasure.
Thank you so much.
All right, it's a deal. Let's get this Mustang hooked up.
Sounds good. Thanks for coming out so quickly.
No problem. Just need to secure these cables now.
Be careful with that old thing.
All right, easy now. Rolling up. Hold steady. Chains are locking. Secured. All set. All right, let's get her down. Watch the front. Copy that. Tools are ready. Easy now. Slide her forward. Got it. Looks solid. Good. Let's inspect the engine. All right, let's get these seats out. Careful with the frame. Carpet's next. Ready? Yep. Dashboard is clear. Good work.